Hi, welcome to Formanite Academy. Today our topic is comparing fraction. How to compare fractions and which fraction is bigger and which is smaller. Most kids guess wrong. Here the first way to know. How do we compare fraction? Let's understand with example. 1/3 and 1/4. Now look, when the top of the fractions is same, which means 1 and 1, look at the bottom. A smaller bottom means a bigger fraction. How? Now write as 1/3 is greater than 1/4. Let's take another example. First, 2/5 and 4/5. In this case, the bottom number is same. Now compare the top numbers. And 4 is greater than 2. Then now we say that 2/5 is less than 4/5. Now take another example. What if the top and bottom numbers are different? Let's take an example. 2/3 and 3/4. In this case, the top numbers and the bottom numbers are different. So we want to compare these numbers. First, we need a common denominator. The smallest number, both 3 and 4, divide into 12. So we multiply 2/3 with 4 and 3/4 with 3. What will the answer is? 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 4 is 12. Now 2/3 become 8/12 and 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now we get a common denominator which is 12. In this case, now compare top numbers, 9, which is 8 and 9. In this case, 9 is greater than 8. Then 9/12 is greater fraction than 8/12. Now take a word problem. Two students run a race. Sam and Alex. Sam ran 3/4 of a mile and Alex ran 5/8 of a mile. Who ran further? Now, in this case, again, the top numbers and the bottom numbers are different. So, we need a common denominator. The common denominator is 8. 3/4 become 6 and 8. But how? Let's do it. If we multiply 3/4 with 2, then we get 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 2 is 8. Now we get 8 and 5/8. Now compare, because the denominators are same. compare top numbers. In this case, 6 is greater than 5. So 6, 8. Now 6, 8 is greater than 5, 8. And Sam run further. Let's recap. To compare fractions, if the bottom match, then compare top numbers. If they don't match the bottom numbers, then find a common denominator first and then compare it. Nice work. See you next time.